What is up, beautiful people? Good morning. So the time is around 5 a.m. I'm going to explore two of the waterfall, which is around 140 kilometers from here, which is MOOLA KONA and Kona Waterfall. By the way, guys, you must have seen him in my last vlog to Koil, right? So that's Arun. So he's going to accompany me towards the waterfall today. Actually, you know, there were like 45 of them, but the plans are cancelled, all because that they are busy with some work, illa? All are busy. So finally I found Arun at the last moment.
I found you.
Yeah. yeah, he. By the way, guys, this is my new ride, Himalayan 400, and I'm loving it. So this is the first time I'm going to ride this bike, and I'm riding the bike, and I'll be riding it for the next 300 to 400 kilometers. I think I'm getting wind noise even though I'm wearing helmet. I don't know why is that. And I hope the audio is clear, guys. So here starts our ride. We are going to take the new flyover from Mandalore, take the outer ring road, and we are going towards Nazareth pit. I have borrowed this bike from Hari's brother, whose name is Vishal. Thank you, Vishal. So we are done filling air. Now next thing would be fix the puncture. Like he said, the next 3-4 kilometers there's a puncture shop, and I'm not sure if it's going to open, but they said it's going to open, and we'll fix there and keep moving. And we finally found one shop. Illa, I have change. Ask him, will he fix? He'll fix, no? He'll fix, right? You know, that's a pleasant thing about riding early in the morning and through some country road. Then you got to have a nice company like this, and your day is done, man. Guys, finally we are in where is this place? Andhra, right? Look at this guy, is hiding over there. It's nothing, he just trimmed his beard, I guess, yesterday, and so he doesn't want to come in the camera. So we just stopped here to have some tea. And by the way, as we enter Andhra, right, it's all green. Check this out. So it's just a road, and by the side it's all green. Man, it's beautiful. So far so good, and I'm loving it. And chai to banta yaar. So I think we have like 50 more kilometers to go from here. Will do. And let's see, we'll just travel like another 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
And then we'll just have breakfast somewhere.
Yeah.
Now he's
we
back.
have face mask.
So these are vehicles. I got hey Vishal, if you are watching this video, thank you, man, for lending me your Himalayan. And he's got his Dominar.
I was enjoying the nature.
Oh, he's enjoying the nature in this valleys. By the way, I have noticed here plenty of them are using this one, solar. I don't know if you can see from here, it's directly there.
I think it can be the government. Not private sector.
Okay, We'll check it once we start moving. If you go straight, it's Nagalapuram waterfall, but it's closed. Come. So if you take it right, you are going to reach Nagalapuram, but right now it's closed. The more closer you get to this mountain, the more beautiful it looks, man. Look at those giant mountains. Shall I show you? Shall I show you? It's there. I think that's the father, that's the mother, and between that is the son. Okay, take it as order. So we are into off-roading. Nice trail. अरे हट जा हट जा. Thank you. Man, this is going to be one task. Don't stop, up go, up go. Go, 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 go. Oh, where are we now? Hold, hold, hold. Finally, we are here in our destinations. Actually, we didn't follow the route, illa. The route was taking us somewhere.
But actually, we came correctly.
So we have parked our bike here. It's good. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the water flowing. Look there. Yeah, there is. So what we do is, this is my mini tank bag. I don't know if you have seen in my vlog. So with this we are going to lock our helmet and yeah, and just put it here. Okay, great. Yeah. This is worth coming, man. Bikers around Chennai, I think you have to visit this place. And literally the off-roading was just great, man. We had to cross like 2-3 streams and I just loved it. And I bought this Himalayan. It was fantastic, man. And it's worth coming here. So that's how the place looks. And there's a small temple there. So these are all the water flowing out from that waterfall, I guess. Okay, let me not talk for a while. Okay, and just hear the sound. And by the way, guys, if you haven't seen my Koil and Malay vlog, please do watch. I'll put the link somewhere in the I button here. Here. What temple is this? Can you read in Tamil? Oh, it's in Telugu. Huh? Huh? Yeah, just go check, no? So he's going to check which temple is this. So it's Venkateshwara, Lord Venkateshwara's temple. Okay, we're going to have fun here now. So like he said, there is another one waterfall on the top. So we're going to explore there. I hope the bike is safe out there here. And there is zero network here. Look at this place. It's not so far, it's close only. Super duper. Man, this is what I don't like here. The people, they come, they eat chips and all, right? Seriously. This is deep. More than 6 foot. Check out what is there and we will try to close the vlog. Guys, we are at the end of the vlog and I hope you liked it. And yes, bikers, please do visit here, and it's quite off-roading and you'll definitely like it. So I'm closing this video here. In case if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and please like the video if you really like it. But yes, there's also a dislike button, you can very well do it. That's all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Look at this. Siri, cut.
Wear face mask.
That is the reason. Keep your key safely.
Yeah.